Greetings and introductions.
How are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm good, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Eilina.
Where are you from?
I'm from Morocco.
What do you do?
I'm a doctor.
Where do you live?
I live in Italy.
Is the Italy beautiful country?
Sure, Italy is one of the most beautiful country.
How old are you?
I'm almost 0.20 years old.
How was your Friday?
It was enjoyable.
How was your father?
He was good.
What does your father do?
He is a teacher.
Shopping and eating.
Do you go to shopping with me?
Of course, I go to shopping with you.
What do you buy at the shopping?
I buy shoes and clothes for myself.
Do you have cash money?
No, I use credit card.
How much is this?
It might be $10.
Can I get discount?
Sorry, the price is fixed.
Is this fresh fruits?
Yes, all things are fresh and cheap.
What do you want to eat?
I want to eat burger and pizza.
Where is the cool drink?
It's around the corner.
Can we get more places to visit?
Yes, we can get travel and direction. How far is the airport from here?
It's about 10 kilometers away.
Is there a bus stop near here?
Yes, it's just across the street.
How long does it take to get the mall?
About 20 minutes by car.
How can I get to the hospital?
Go straight. Take the second, right?
What's the best way to get to the city center?
You can take a taxi or a bus.
Where's the nearest ATM?
It's inside the supermarket.
When is the next train to Islamabad?
It's at 3:30 p.m.
How much is a ticket to Lahore?
It costs around 50 rupees.
Does this bus go to the airport?
No, you need to take bus number 10.
Weather and time.
How's the weather today?
It's sunny and hot.
Is it raining outside?
Yes, take umbrella.
Do you think it will rain today?
Maybe the sky looks cloudy.
How was the weather yesterday?
It was very windy and cold.
What's the temperature today?
It is around 30 centigrade.
What time is it?
It's 10:15 a.m.
When do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30 a.m.
What time does the movie start?
It starts at 8 p.m.
How long does it take to reach the market?
About 15 minutes by car.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Can you tell me the time, please?
Sure, it's 5:45 p.m. At the restaurant. Hello, may I take your order?
Yes, I'd like a chicken burger and a cola. Anything else? No, that's all. Thank you.
Your order will be ready in 10 minutes.
We will be waiting for you.
How can I help you?
I need a dozen eggs and a loaf of bread.
Here you go. Anything else?
No, that's it. How much is it?
It's $50.
Here you go. Thank you.
Making a phone call. Hello, is this Eilino?
Yes, speaking. Who is this?
It's Ollie. How are you?
I'm good. What's up?
I just wanted to ask if you're free this evening.
Yes, let's meet at 6 p.m. Excuse me, can you help me?
Sure, what do you need?
I'm looking for the post office.
It's 2 blocks ahead on the right.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Arriving at a friend's house.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. Come in, have a seat.
Thanks, it's been a long time since we met.
Yes, I'm so happy to see you.
How is your family?
They are doing well. What about yours?
They are good too. Thanks for asking.
You too. Would you like tea or coffee?
Yes, I'd love some tea. Thank you.
I'll bring some snacks too.
That sounds great.
How's work going?
It's been busy, but everything is fine.
That's good to hear. Do you get any free time?
Not much, but I try to relax on weekend.
I had a great time today.
Me too. Let's meet again soon.
Sure, I'll call you next weekend.
Sounds great. Take care.
Visiting a sick friend.
Hi, I heard you. We're not feeling well. How are you now?
I'm feeling a little better but still resting.
I brought some fruits for you.
That's kind of you. Thank you.
Don't worry, you'll recover soon. Get plenty of rest.
Yes, I am trying. Thanks for visiting. Visiting a friend after a long time.
Wow, it's been long time. How have you been?
I know I have been good. What about you?
I'm doing well. I really missed our time together.
Me too. We should catch up and go out sometime.
Yes, let's plan something for the weekend.
Sure, let's do it. Surprised to visit a friend.
Oh, what a surprise. I wasn't expecting you.
Hi ha, I thought I'd surprise you.
That's amazing. Come in. Let's have some tea.
Sure, I just wanted to spend time with you.
I'm so happy. Let's sit and talk.
Visiting a friend who moved to a new house. Congratulations on your new home.
Thank you. Come in and have a look.
Wow, your house looks beautiful.
I'm glad you like it. Let me show you around.
I'd love that. You have a great place.
Thanks for visiting my house.
Hey, I heard you got a promotion. Congratulations.
Thank you so much. It means a lot.
I knew you would achieve this. You worked so hard.
Yes, it was tough, but I am happy now.
Let's celebrate. We should go out for dinner.
That's a great idea.
Personal preference. Do you prefer summer or winter?
I prefer winter because I like cold weather.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Do you like animals?
Yes, I love animals, especially dogs.
What is your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is Eid because I spend time with family.
Do you like surprises?
Yes, I love surprises.
What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 6 a.m.
How do you spend your evening?
I watch TV and relax my family.
How long do you sleep every night?
I sleep for about 7 to 8 hours.
What do you usually do after work, school?
I go home, rest, and spend time with my family.
How do you relax after a busy day?
I listen to music and drink tea.
Social life. Do you have a lot of friends?
Yes, I have many friends.
Do you prefer small gathering or big parties?
I prefer small gathering.
How often do you meet your friends?
I meet my friends once a week.
What do you and your friends do together?
We go out for tea and talk.
Do you like making new friends?
Yes, I enjoy meeting new people.